Well, overall in business and in life, I think listening. I should have listened more, should have listened more carefully to more people. I think that's one of the keys to our business now is listening to the client and the customer. And if we're doing collections, listen to the debtor, listen to the obligor. Specifically in time sharing, probably the thing I do differently is really understanding sales and how sales drive the business. Years and years ago, I ran the collections department at Shawnee Resort in the Poconos. I think we had 12, maybe 13 collectors. And my background was in banking and finance. So they told me the problem is the salespeople. They overpromise, they lie, they're bad, they're terrible. It's the salespeople. That's why we can't collect. And so, I constantly moaned and complained to the owners of our resort, Bob Shabelsky and Charlie Kirkwood. Oh, it's the salespeople. And finally, Kirkwood and Shabelsky were fed up, and they said, guess what? You and your department are going over to sell. I said, what? So, you're going to go sell timeshare. You think you can do it better? You think it's not being done right? You go sell it. So we were there for almost a week, which didn't make the project director or the lawyers happy because most of us didn't have a timeshare or a real estate license. But it didn't make much difference because we didn't sell anything. We had no idea what we were doing. We had no idea how difficult it was. The only person that sold was me. I sold one. 79.95. I still remember 34 years. So we sort of went back to the collections area with our tail between our legs. And meanwhile, the salespeople, I think they took 12 salespeople who nominally reported to me, but pretty much did their own thing for that week to collect the portfolio. And they did a pretty good job. They weren't maybe quite as good as my collectors, but they were pretty good, a lot better than we were collecting. And it taught me how important sales is, how difficult it is. And it taught me to incorporate sales and marketing into collections. We're never done selling in our business. We sell when we market, we sell when we sell, we sell when we collect, we sell when we do reservations, we sell when we do exchange, we sell every time we see somebody. And that's really the most important component in what we do at Fairshare, particularly on the customer recovery side. So many developers have lost members and they want their money back, and we'll get you your money back. But what they really want is the customer back. It costs so much to acquire that customer, and it's such a negative force to have a dissatisfied default customer out there in the marketplace. We get them back, and you got to know how to sell to do that. And so I wish I learned more about sales sooner.
Hi, I'm Sharon Scott Wilson, publisher of Resort Trades. We have been bringing you free videos in the hopes that we can help solidify the timeshare resort community and provide you, vacation ownership professional that you are, with some useful information. So when you hit the like button or share or comment, you're helping yourself too to be more integrated into the community, helping others get to know you. So be an influencer, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we post a new video. And thank you. Good luck.